Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. We are at the All Aspects warehouse. I feel like I have not worked on my car in a very long time. So today's the day we're gonna get my hands a little bit dirty, work on the Lexus. We got Jerem over here working hard as usual. But what up, Andy?
What up? How's it going?
Pretty good, you?
Pretty good.
This is Andres's 13B. Check it out. Link will be right here for you guys to see. How do you feel about having the engine now?
Feels good.
Hell yeah.
Finally making some moves, you know?
Just wanted to say thank you for always helping me. And I know this is something that you don't have.
What? Are you kidding me? What is this?
Air fuel ratio gauge.
No way.
For the FC.
Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
What? Dude, that thing's so sick.
Hell yeah.
AM. Dude, this is what I was gonna run for sure on my car.
More incentive for you to finish the car, right?
Seriously. One more part on the list.
Alright, now that I got that out of the way, we can go ahead and work on Jerem's car. Because I don't want to work on my car. Did you just wash your car?
Hell yeah.
Damn, is that my camera setup?
Here's.
Hey, how fire is it though?
It's fire.
Alright guys, so we just finished Jerem's car. We're finally gonna start on my car, and today we are installing this one part that I've been meaning to install. I've had it for about a few months now. So we are gonna be improving the handling on my Lexus. We have a lot of downtime, so let's work on this car. We're gonna be installing RR Racing's front lower control arm bushings. Andres, what do you think?
They look really beefy, actually.
Right? They look sturdy.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be a huge improvement over the stock ones.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see how the stock ones look when we take them off.
I know. So supposedly these are like a lot stiffer, so it might give more, what is it, like noise in a sense, but I heard that these get rid of that dead space when you're turning or driving on the freeway and stuff. So huge shout out to Rodney for hooking me up with these parts. He also threw in a little Lexus. I have one of these. I have it in blue, but I painted black, but now I have a white one. So the install should be fairly simple. We're gonna be jacking up the car. That's the first thing. And I think it's only like 3 bolts on each side. The bracket is 2 bolts. I don't remember what size, but we're gonna find out. And then the 1 bolt that holds in the bushing itself, and that's it. And Andy, what do we have to do after this?
Alignment.
Yeah. If you guys work on suspension parts, you have to get an alignment afterwards. Andy just told me that even if you get new tires, you should get an alignment as well.
Well, just so you can the tires can last as long as you want them to, you know? And they don't wear out unevenly.
I thought it was just the arms and that's it. I mean, we're gonna be messing around with this. I have a rear airbag leak. I don't know why, but we're finally gonna get around to maybe just dropping the control arm just to spray water and access the line, maybe recut it. Since I'm already gonna need an alignment after we install these, I might as well just check that out too. Guys, the reason why I went with this wasn't just because Rodney sold these to me for a really good price. It's because they are the stiffest ones, I believe. And I didn't wanna go with figs because I heard it's not as stiff and they're blue. There's not really anything blue on my car. I know you're never gonna see these, but just for me personally when I go under the car. What do you think, Jerem? What? So that's the bushing. That's the one we're gonna be swapping out. It's a couple bolts right there. Damn, look at this exhaust though.
So we need to take this crossbar off.
I also want a better view myself as well. I think it's
Just that one.
if we're doing both sides, why don't we just do all 4? It's only 4.
Yeah, exactly. There's this one not holding it for some reason.
Oh, then we'll just leave it.
Alright.
Damn, my exhaust is hot as balls.
Oh yeah.
Oh, but then look, we can
you
shift
just slide it. Nice.
Fire.
Alright. Oh my god.
So sorry.
Oh, that shit smells, bro.
You still go under anyways? I had to scare you off so then it makes it look like I'm working on my own car. Or else I know you'll do everything. Because that's how good you are at everything. Nice.
Yeah, that's plenty.
Ah.
Plenty.
Ah. Why did this come off?
My bad, you okay?
Yeah, it's good.
Did it hit your face?
It hit my head, but why did this come off? Oh, damn, that hurts so bad.
Did it?
I'm gonna have a big ass bruise.
My bad. Wasn't the nut still on there?
Yeah, but look, it looks like it's broken.
What the fuck? I barely even tugged this shit.
My head. I don't want to look at myself until after it swells up.
So now it's just these two?
I don't know, Andy. I can't think. You hit me in the head. Give me back that birthday present. So now it's this, and then this. These two are 22s, and then the 17 is the inner one. Wait, can we really break it with this tiny ratchet? You really think this will break it? Like, should I do it
You're gonna probably break my ratchet.
We're just getting these bolts right now. We're gonna break them. Andy left me. He just hit my head and just dipped.
Wow. What a fucked up homie, dude. After you bought me a fucking gauge, too. You going the right way? Yeah.
Yes.
Ooh, nice.
Huge shout out for the video, Kenny. You beat me to it. I wanted to do those RCF OEM bushings, but then I decided, nah, I want to feel the road more. Kind of like something's going up my butt, you know? Wait, what am I doing? I can use a ratchet now. Oh no, I'm leaking water. Dude, I'm honestly afraid something else is gonna fall onto my head. Fuck it. Dude, a lot of water's coming out. Is this coolant? Is this coolant? If this was leaking oil though, I'd be a little more concerned. Oh, you know, just another YouTuber just hanging out under his car talking to himself. The usual. Ooh, my shoulders are getting tired. Is this what it feels like to be a mechanic? Oh, almost hit me in the face. I'm gonna use my leg. Yeah. All right, boys, I got snacks.
Fire.
Are you gonna install those? Yo, install those, bro.
Andy's gonna help me with the breaker bar, and we're gonna get this a little bit lower.
How much lower do you need?
A lot.
Really?
Yeah. Right. More. Oh, let's go. Good shit.
Got you.
Thanks for hitting my head earlier. What is this called? Just lube? We gotta lube this bitch up. Remember, guys, if it's dry, use lube. Oh yeah, you gotta lube up the shaft.
Of the control arm.
Oh yeah, nice and sticky. Oh.
That's just so sticky. Did you wear a glove?
Oh, no.
Oh my god, bro. I told you to wear a glove.
He
dude.
just told you that.
I'm wearing a glove. I'm kidding. Relax. Wrap it before you tap it, bro.
No glove, no love with that shit.
Is it okay that I put a lot?
Oh no, you don't want that much.
Oh shit.
It's gonna like leak off.
Oh, can you hand me another glove then? There's one behind you. Don't throw it into the lube, jeez.
Get away from that shit. That shit's like, you know that movie Venom?
Yeah.
It's like that shit, dude. Like where it just doesn't
The
go
symbiote? Oh no! Fuck. Apparently, this goes on the other side, so let's get this on first, I think. Oh wow, it was easy as fuck. Alright, let it up. Let me just make sure these clear, like this.
Bro, what was that?
What are those?
Fucking
Alright,
Jason,
let's get it.
dude. So what are you doing right now? You're torquing them?
Damn, imagine if I had a fart during the twerk. Oh my.
That would have been epic.
Damn, bro. What'd you eat last night?
Something good. Holy balls, this is gonna be hard. Can I use a cheater bar on the torque wrench?
That would be cheating.
I need to like just hold on to something.
Nice.
So the 17 mil was 63 foot-pounds. The middle 22 was 83 foot-pounds. And I think this big old beefy one, which is also a 22, is 145. All right, guys, so we're gonna finish up this other side. I'm here by myself. Everyone's busy doing work in the other warehouse. It's honestly raining right now, so I'm not gonna be able to get you guys driving clips and more of a review until tomorrow. So I'm gonna finish this up, end the video here for today. It's pretty fun working on my car again. Haven't worked on it in a while. See you guys tomorrow. Gotta get an alignment and make sure everything is good. I will finish this up and see you tomorrow. Bye. Today is the day I'm finally gonna get an alignment, and Airlift sent me a new manifold for the Lexus. All we're gonna do is swap it out, put the old one back in here, use the return label, and ship it back out. If you guys did not see my last video, I basically got a pressure sensor fault on my Airlift controller, which can only mean one thing: the manifold is going bad. Thankfully, Airlift was kind enough to send one out for me and replace it with our lifetime warranty. So first things first, let's go ahead and air out the tank, and then we can unplug this one. Here is the old manifold, and here is the new one. Let's go ahead and mount it back up. So I installed the new manifold, and now I'm here at 2K Racing, local shop. I'm finally getting my rear bag leak fixed because I'm too lazy to do it myself. I have to jack up the car. I know how to do it. I just figured he could do it for a fraction of the time that I would spend. Hey, he has these seats here, and I kind of want to try Corbeau. My buddy Tom has these on the Supra. He actually has these ones. Kind of digging these though. Has some white. I feel like this would go well in the Supra. I don't know, guys. Let me know down in the comments below because I really want brides, but you guys know they're expensive. And I forget that he has a bunch of goodies here. I'm debating between getting this Blitz turbo timer, a Pexi, or this Greddy one right here. I really want the Greddy one because Greddy makes a lot of parts for my car. I don't know. All three of these do the same thing. It's just whether or not you want a certain brand. And I'm kind of leaning more towards Greddy. Finally getting in alignment. Just so you guys know what my camber specs are. Huge shout out to Ram Tire Co for always taking care of my alignment needs. You guys are the best. So we are back at 2K Racing and John is installing a new battery for me. I went ahead and got AC Delco because he recommended it to me. I don't expect batteries to last longer than 3 years because the OEM battery lasted about 3.5 since I'm on air suspension and it drains the battery. So hopefully this one's good. Just made it back home and John was also kind enough to install my inner taillight that I just got for free from Kyle. Thank you so much again, bro. All he did was make me pay for shipping and he gave me a brand new taillight. So it works, it's clean. You guys have to see my old one. You can see this little crack right here. I cracked it when I first installed my Cybon trunk. I was banging on the taillight because it wasn't going in. Because Cybon's molds are terrible and it isn't hollow enough for the taillight. Cracked it, and after a little over 2 years, the condensation finally got to it and it stopped working. Now we can finally take this car out, drive it on the freeway, and see how it feels. I also wanted to show you guys my battery. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, it's just a Delco. Looks like an OEM battery, standard black. They even zip tied these covers for me. They also changed out the terminal because mine was too gunked up from the corrosion. It's about like, I want to say 5 p.m. and we're gonna go test drive it. Right, babe?
Right.
Hopefully it drives different. Oh, I don't know if I'm sore or if it's the steering wheel is harder to turn. Could be both. Now it wants to get all trafficy, huh?
That's
After
what
I get
I'm
on.
talking about, like the 118 when you're going like, and people drive slow. So I was like, I don't know. Like,
I gotta do some dangerous lane changes to see how this feels.
gotta live life on the edge over here. Wowzers.
It's pretty fucking solid. The main thing is I don't feel that dead space when I want to turn. Like it just turns, like it goes.
Yeah.
Even if I move it a centimeter, it moves in that direction, which a steering wheel should. You know how your Civic, it had a lot of dead space before it actually wanted to turn.
It was real loose.
Yeah. This like really stiffened it up.
Yeah.
Or maybe I'm just saying that because this is a paid promotion. I'm just kidding. You guys know I wouldn't lie to you anyways.
Yeah, that's true.
It's a good investment. I feel like my bushings were gonna go out anyways. Smooth as balls.
Smooth as your balls.
Manscaped.
Yeah.
Sponsor me. Yeah, I think the steering is more stiff because it kind of hurts. Real spit. It's not as easy. Like, hold on, let me see. Oh, I can barely turn with my finger. I have to like use my whole shoulder. So before I was able to turn with like my pinky, my finger, and I only had to like just use my wrist because the power steering in this car. But now it's like, I gotta really, oh no, there's a Mustang next to me. It wants to win. You get it? Because my car's really slow.
I get it.
Maybe we can take a turn going like semi-fast. I'm thinking like 40 miles per hour. No? You down? Hold on to something.
Jason.
Alright, I'll slow down to like 42.
So if you turn right and you turn into something,
Ah, there's cars.
I'm the one who's fucked.
No, hold on to this. Hold on to my oh shit handle. Alright, I'm gonna slow down just a little bit.
Wow. Really took that turn.
That didn't really count. I'm gonna be honest, I slowed down to like 30. It's because I didn't hold on to my oh shit handle. Alright, maybe I could take this left. We're also in Mexico, so it's not illegal, right?
Right.
Oh, I can't do it now. Unless this randomly turns green for me and I floor it.
Oh, don't floor it yet, hun. Wow. That was some fun in the sun.
Not the bad, not the bad.
Not bad at all.
Alright Alright guys, and that's that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to see more videos on the Lexus and the Supra. So what did you think about it, babe?
Always a good time with you in the car. Feels real solid. Feels good. I had fun. Thanks for the ride.
Comment down below if you want to see her drive it so she could see how it feels. That's pretty much it. I'm sorry this video took way longer than expected. If you guys are looking for aftermarket bushings, our racing is pretty good. I haven't tried figs yet, but you can always try that out. Probably going to be really similar. And now we'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget, it's always better to look good
Then to feel good.
later.
Plenty.